The unbroken line of the seventh-day Sabbath. 1. Creation in Eden. Genesis chapter 2:1-3. Box. God rested on the seventh day, blessed and sanctified it. Illustration. God finishing creation, light shining on the seventh day. 2. Before Sinai. Exodus 16:23-30. Box. Manna test before the 10 Commandments, Sabbath already in force. Illustration. Double portion of manna on the sixth day, no manna on the seventh. 3. 10 Commandments at Sinai. Exodus 20:8-11. Box. God writes fourth commandment with his finger. Remember the Sabbath day. Illustration. 2 stone tablets glowing on Mount Sinai. 4. Perpetual covenant with Israel. Exodus 31:16-17. Box. Sabbath, its eternal sign between God and his people. Illustration. An Israelite family resting and worshipping on the seventh day. 5. Jesus honors the Sabbath. Luke 4:16, Mark 2:27-28. Box. Jesus, Lord of the Sabbath, kept it holy. Illustration. Jesus teaching in the synagogue on Sabbath. 6. Disciples keep Sabbath after crucifixion. Luke 23:56. Box. Even in death, they rested on the Sabbath according to the commandment. Illustration. Women preparing spices, then resting on the seventh day. 7. Paul keeps Sabbath with Gentiles. Acts 13:42-44, Acts 17:2. Box. Paul preached to Jews and Greeks every Sabbath, decades after resurrection. Illustration. Synagogue gathering on the Sabbath. 8. Sabbath in the new earth. Isaiah 66:22-23. Box. All flesh shall worship me from one Sabbath to another, forever. Illustration. Heavenly Jerusalem with people coming to worship.